Hello viewers, this is Kanis Rahman. Welcome to my cooking channel. In this video, I'm making some lacchi and also called mango drinks. Nowadays, mango is available in every time in the year, but seasonal mango is the best. And everybody loves these sweet cold drinks in the afternoon time, especially in summer day. It's too hot and that will refresh your mind and boost up your energy. So let's get started. For these drinks, I took one big mango. I cut it in small pieces. In the shop, they're using ice cube and milk together. So what I did, I keep the milk in ice cube to keep frozen, and then I'm using in my blender. So my lacchi gonna be thick enough. And now here I'm using half cup of yogurt, whole milk yogurt, obviously. Then I'm using coffee mate, around 3 tablespoons, sugar 1 tablespoon, and finally time up the top lid and put it in a blender. It just take a minute to blend it, and then I'll take it off the lid and put it in my glass. I figured it out, you could serve 2 people from 1 mango. This is good to know because you don't have to cut the second mango or third mango. Sometimes you don't need it, just keep it for later and you will see the blackish color mango later on, and those not taste good. So it's happened with me all the time, that's why I'm sharing with you. So here is my lacchi is ready. So I decorate with some pistachios slices on the top and ready to serve. I wish you like this simple process to make your own lacchi at home. Try it out and let me know in my comment section. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel and share with your friends and family. Thank you.